guys. So today I'm going to talk about our vocabulary skill. And our vocabulary skill for this week is word endings. So as you may have guessed, a word ending is when you add a different ending to a word and it makes a new word. So we're going to talk about two different kinds of word endings today. We're going to talk about ed as a word ending, and we're going to talk about ing as a word ending. So when you have a word, we like to call it our base word. So let's pick one of our vocabulary words. Balance. Okay, balance is our base word. That's our regular word that we're starting out with, okay? But if I want to change the word so that it makes more sense in my sentence and add a word ending, I need to also change my word a little bit. So if I'm talking about ing, and instead of saying balance, I want to say balancing, I have to think about how I'm gonna do that because I can't just add that ing onto the end. If you watched the video in the slideshow, they talked a lot about this. So what do? I think I know. Anytime that I have a word that ends in an E, I have to get rid of that E, that vowel on the end, in order to add my ing. So if I wanted to change balance to balancing, that's how I would do it. I would take away that E, and then I would add my ing. So balance into balancing looks like that. Okay, now let's think about balance, but with our other word ending, ed. Okay. So remember, here's our base word, balance, but now I want to add an ending of ed to make the word balanced. Okay, well, I've got an E at the end. Do you think I could just add my ed? Now I have balanced, which is not even a word. So that didn't work out so well. What do you think? Take a second in your head and think. What could you do to make balanced? If you said only have one E, you're correct. So I'm going to write my base word again. But instead of including that E, I'm going to put an ED.